All right, check this out. We bottled 5 gallons of mead probably about 2 years ago, and the very bottom of the bucket was like sludgy. If you see down here, there's a lot of sludge in the bottom of these. This has been settling for 2 years almost, and aging, which is great because the older the better sometimes. And I bet this stuff is delicious. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to siphon it down to about, just right above the bottom. Keep that sludge on the bottom. And I'm going to have crystal clear 2-year-old mead. Sometimes you'll have that. You'll have to rebottle. Or you'll just, you can pour it and be careful and keep all the yeast on the bottom. But these are going on my shelf. One of them's going to get drank soon. But I'm going to put these on my wine shelf. I got this siphon. I got the end cut off. And we're about to bottle them. I'll show you. Oh, that's quick. It's absolutely beautiful. Ain't nothing like honey wine. Viking's Blood's pretty damn good too.
That's why there's none of that left.
Yeah, we drink every bit of that.
Quick. I think I had one bottle that aged a year that we drank a couple months ago, and it was so much better than when we first drank it. I think this is the first wine we made, wasn't it?
On video, yeah. Shit. You pour all this in here. I mean, you're not going to end up with much. There ain't much left now. But, you could end up with a little bit more. Keep the yeast in the bottom of that. You know what I mean? And rebottling's a thing for me. Because I bottle quick. Because I make a lot of wine. And I run out of room with the big jugs. You only have so many damn 1-gallon jugs or 5-gallon jugs. So I bottle that shit and I wait a while. And I'll pour it straight from the bottle. I'll keep the yeast in the bottom. Or I'll rebottle. It's not that big a deal. It's not that big a hassle. A lot of these guys will keep a wine in a carboy for forever. Well, I want to use that carboy. So again, I don't want one wine a year. I want 20 wines a year or 40 wines a year. You get bored making one wine a year. I drink one wine, I'll drink 5 gallons of wine in a couple nights. Shit. But that's it. That's my 2-year-old mead. It's amazing. It's super delicious. It's one of the best things you could ever drink. I love mead. We're going to make some more different weird kinds of mead soon. Got to get a good deal on honey, though. That shit's expensive. Got some 2-year-old mead. I made a video of when we made this. And then like 6 months afterwards, that's when I created our channel. So it's about 2 years old. You can watch the video if you dig deep in the video section. It smells great. Tastes great. 2 years old. It's very smooth. Has a real soft mouthfeel. It's just aging things changes it. It's not as sweet as it was in the beginning. It's more has a more like professional wine taste now, kind of medicinal. It's good as fuck though. definitely I'm gonna age one bottle for a very long time, and then I got another bottle probably gonna drink tonight. But that's good shit. So depending on what you want, keep your wine, age it, clean it up, or just drink it whenever. Fuck your mama, bitch.
After 2 years, it definitely lost that homemade wine fermentation smell. I tried a bunch of different meads down in Gatlinburg one year, and it smells just like them. Tastes just like them too. Oh, it's so much better now than it was. Highly recommend aging your mead.